Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to share NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. So make sure you already have signed up, okay? And you have added NFL Sunday Ticket to your YouTube TV membership. You just open your YouTube TV, tap on your profile photo, go to settings, and then find the NFL Sunday Ticket, review the pricing and package, go ahead and add, and then you can tap on purchase to complete your transaction. Now once that is done and out of the way, okay, you need to create a Google family group. And once you do that, once you have a Google family group, you can go ahead and share your YouTube TV, including the NFL Sunday Ticket subscription, with up to 5 other members, okay, at no extra cost, right? And if you want to share your NFL Sunday Ticket with your family group, remember, guys, important thing, you can create or sign into your regular Google account and share with that. Do not do this using a Google Workspace account. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.